Then he went into the water, wet his body over, and rubbed it vigorously. Ayan, ginbrushan niya na ilawa siguro to get off the soil, ang mga lutak kag duta nga ara siya lawas, diba, kay halin siya sa bukid. He was not long in bathing, then he marched homeward. Pero why na to sa nagdugay? Kulin sila balay. The bath made him feel cool. It was dusk when he reached home. Say room na. Petroleum lamp on the ceiling already lighted, and the low unvarnished square table was set for supper. So, ayun, ang ila suga, petroleum lamp, kinky, ang ilang table, ginaplastara na para sa pagkaon. His parents and he sat down on the floor around the table to eat. Yan, pungko na sila. Sat down on the floor. So, wala sila chair. Sa ano lang sila nagapungko? Sa log. They had fried freshwater fish, pinarito nga